Ladies and gentlemen, the best is yet to come. When we return, we will finally meet our new Miss Asia Pacific International 2025 queens. So, keep your eyes on the stage because Our Lady Stories will finally meet its blazing finish when we come back.
Are we really doing this?
Bakit hindi? You bake the best cupcakes. Tara ma, gawin natin siyang business. Tsaka marami na rin kayo nag-i-inquire.
O siya, sige. Let's do this. Kaya lang, saan tayo kukuha ng pampuhunan?
I'll sell my car.
What? Yan na lang ang alaala ng papa mo.
Pero ma, that's the only thing that I can think of. Mag-business tayo, we have to do it right. So I have to choose, my car or our business.
You know, you can have both, right? It's the smart move. Use your car as a collateral to get a vehicle loan and business.
and Sysprotech IT Solutions, our official tabulating team. To present the official result from our panel of judges, we're now calling on the Managing Partner and Chief Operating Officer of Reyes Takandong and Company, Mr. Protasio Takandong. Thank you very much, sir. Okay, here we go. After months of passion and purpose, we finally meet the new bearers of the Miss Asia Pacific International crowns, beginning with our fourth runner-up. Are you ready? Are you ready? Ladies and gentlemen, the Miss Asia Pacific International 2025 fourth runner-up is Miss Netherlands. Congratulations.
Presenting the award for Miss Asia Pacific International 2025 fourth runner-up is Dr. Galieska Arroyo, Miss Karel Herrera, and Mr. Michael Crisply.
Congratulations, Miss Netherlands, our Miss Asia Pacific International 2025 fourth runner-up. And now we are jumping over to our Miss Asia Pacific International 2025 third runner-up. And our third runner-up for Miss Asia Pacific International 2025 is Miss Belgium. Congratulations.
Presenting the award for the Miss Asia Pacific International 2025 third runner-up is a Miss Tiffany Primalia Tan, Miss Claudia Young, and Mr. Krish Gangwar.
Let's give it up once again for Miss Belgium, our Miss Asia Pacific International 2025 third runner-up. And we are down to our final three. Ladies and gentlemen, the Miss Asia Pacific International 2025 second runner-up is Miss Thailand. Congratulations.
Presenting the award for Miss Asia Pacific International 2025 second runner-up is Miss Christine Caballero Apla, Miss Tiffany Vu, and Mr. Sonny Boy Mindo.
Congratulations, Miss Thailand, our Miss Asia Pacific International second runner-up. Whew. Okay, Cebu Coliseum, and to everyone watching around the world from our live stream, this is the moment of truth. Whose story will blaze the brightest and take home that coveted Miss Asia Pacific International 2025 crown? I can't hear you. Who do you think it'll be? Will it be Philippines? Will it be Brazil? All right. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. After months of this transformative journey, we will finally meet our queen. Presenting the award for the Miss Asia Pacific International 2025 first runner-up is Miss Selena Ali and Miss Jacqueline Tan Sines, together with Mr. Jefferson Tan. And to crown the new queen is Miss Asia Pacific International 2018, Miss Sharifa Akil, and Miss Eva Patalinghug, and of course, Chairman of the Board, Mr. Joseph Tan. This is it. Who do you think it'll be? All right, guys, just to make it very, very clear, I am going to be announcing the winner of Miss Asia Pacific International 2025 first. And after that, I will announce our first runner-up. And the winner and your new Miss Asia Pacific International 2025 is Miss Brazil! And now, the moment we have all been waiting for, after a journey of grace, of resilience, and of true transformation. One story blazes above the rest. Ladies and gentlemen, taking her first walk from Miss Brazil to your newest Miss Asia Pacific International 2025. Asia Pacific International 2025, Miss Brazil. Applause for your brand new Miss Asia Pacific International 2025 Queen and her court. Congratulations, ladies, and once again, congratulations to our newly crowned Miss Asia Pacific International 2025, Miss Brazil. We are so excited for your next chapter.
Miss Asia Pacific International, embracing beauty and diversity, empowering, inspiring the women of today. For we are all beautiful, Miss Asia Pacific International. Achieving our highest potential, giving our best to the fore, epitome of strong, empowered women. That's who we are. We have a mission and goal. Let's celebrate, enjoy the fun in this grand parade. Let's show the world that we are one in perfect harmony. Let's stand up, be proud of our own ethnicity. For we are all beautiful, distinct in our way. Miss Asia Pacific International, embracing beauty and diversity, empowering, inspiring the women of today. For we are all beautiful, Miss Asia Pacific International. Let's celebrate, enjoy the fun in this grand parade. Let's show the world that we are one in perfect harmony. Let's stand up, be proud of our own ethnicity. For we are all beautiful, distinct in our way. Miss Asia Pacific International, embracing beauty and diversity, empowering, inspiring the women of today. For we are all beautiful, Miss Asia Pacific International. For we are all beautiful, Miss Asia Pacific International. Coming from the Asian nations, crossing through Pacific shores, we are here to celebrate the power of beauty and diversity, achieving our highest potential.
Mike, may we request the